In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Bybit and TradingView. By the end, you'll have your Bybit account connected to TradingView so you can place trades directly from your TradingView charts. First, this method allows you to trade directly from Bybit charts on TradingView. You'll execute orders from your chart without switching tabs, which keeps your analysis and trading in one place. Now, log into your TradingView account. On your screen, open TradingView and sign in with your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, you're good to continue. Next, open the chart view and click on Trading Panel at the bottom. From the TradingView header, go to Chart to load your workspace. At the very bottom of the chart window, locate the Trading Panel tab and click it to expand the broker list. From here, I'll select Bybit from the list of brokers. You'll see several broker options. Click the Bybit logo to highlight it so TradingView knows which broker you want to use. Now, click Connect and log in with your Bybit credentials. A secure Bybit login window will appear. Enter your Bybit email and password carefully, just as you would on the Bybit website. Only type your details in this official login window. Once entered, confirm the login. If prompted for verification, complete it as directed on the screen. Finally, authorize the connection to enable trading spot, USDT/USDC perpetuals, or inverse perpetuals. You'll see an authorization prompt explaining what TradingView can access for order placement. Approve the request to finish the link between your TradingView account and Bybit. This authorization allows TradingView to send your orders to Bybit for the supported markets: spot, USDT, or USDC margined perpetuals, and inverse perpetuals. At this point, the connection is active. In the trading panel, you'll see Bybit marked as connected, and the order panel will reflect your Bybit account. From here on, when you're on a chart, you can place orders directly using the buy and sell controls, adjust quantities, and submit trades to your linked Bybit account without leaving TradingView. Your orders, positions, and balances will display in the panel so you can monitor them alongside your charts. If the login or authorization window remains open, wait a moment for it to confirm the connection. Once it closes and the trading panel shows Bybit as connected, you're ready. If you're switching symbols or timeframes, your connection stays in place, so you can continue trading from any chart within TradingView that supports your chosen Bybit market. You've now completed the setup to connect Bybit and TradingView, and trading directly from your TradingView charts is ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.